Welcome to Zulf Photography, and today I'm at the custard factory. I'm going to be shooting and showing you how to edit photos to create your own custom YouTube thumbnails. So I'm packing light this time, just the Billingham Hadley Pro with the 5D Mark II 24-70 50mm and action camera, so you can watch how I do this. So my main aim today here was to take some B-roll shots for the Google Places ad, and that's what I'm doing at the moment. But as I was here, I thought I'd do the custom thumbnails. I had my assistant with me, so I'll show you footage of that. So what you want to do is I'll do a quick lens swap. So I'm using the 50mm 1.4 because that'll give me the nice background blur that I want and give me a true reflection of the image. So I'm dropping my little action camera on the top. I've done a video review of this. It's a very cheap action camera, you can see that in the cards. So here you go. Now handed the camera over to my assistant, 5D Mark II with a 50mm, and the action camera is recording on top, so apologies for the bad quality recording. And here we go now. So you'll start seeing the shots that I'm taking here. It's a series of different shots, and they can all be used for the purpose of creating thumbnails. So you can see these being taken as they are from the camera. They've come straight into my editing software, and I'm showing you those now. And then we'll go into Photoshop when I get back, and I can show you how I overlay text on these. So I'm back in the studio now, and I'm just going to whack these pictures that I took that were taken of me into Photoshop, and I can quickly give you an overview of how to create great thumbnails. So you want to pick a couple of colors, nothing too dramatic, just 2 or 3 colors maximum will do well. You want a decluttered image, you don't want too much information going on because it's a thumbnail. I have zoomed out here so this thumbnail looks good small. Just adding a bit of text on there. I've added 2 lenses, and I'm going to start adding font in white color with a slight black stroke of 5 points, and that will be the header. So what I will do is I'll show you a few of these and how I'm making them, and I will do a quick overlay of the actual created thumbnail just to give you an idea so you know how to make these and what looks good. So if you have a theme throughout your website or your YouTube channel, you want to stick to the same colors and make sure they look the same. But have a play sometimes, and if you're doing certain categories or videos about certain products, keep them a certain color, and the other ones you can have a certain design for. So right now here I've got a box on the left hand side with text over it, and my picture on the right with the lenses. So you can see a few more examples of these and see how this works out for you. It's pretty easy. You can use some software online. If you Google search photo editing software, you'll see there's other options as well, like Pixlr and stuff that you can use. So this is basically this video now, giving you that breakdown of how I do it in Photoshop. So if you like this, make sure to subscribe, because there's loads of different videos I do that are similar to this, and lenses and photography gear, and keep an eye out for my other videos.